Okay, just topped off the tank up here in New River. We had a pretty good rain monsoon storm last night, and out here they actually had a tornado spotted. So, and I'm just getting out of the house. I just kind of threw a bunch of things in the bag, and so I was just getting out on the DR, give it another test run. All these people were standing out in the desert. They must be from somewhere else. So anyway, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to see if that road's flooded. So far, guys selling ammunition. Only in Arizona, which is a good thing. So, but anyway, let me see. What have I done to the bike since the last time I checked in? So anyway, I gotta stop saying anyway. So I have, go on truck, go. I went ahead and installed the DynoJet jet kit that I had purchased for my other Dr650 that this one replaced. And yeah, it seems to be running good. And what I have in this right now, I have the GSXR exhaust. And then I have the Pro Cycle mid-pipe kit with the exhaust welds ground out in the header pipe. I have a video on that. And I went ahead and installed the DynoJet kit. Right now I'm running the 160 main jet, the DynoJet kit, or the 160 DynoJet main jet. Gets confusing because DynoJet has their own jet. So I'm running their 160. I have their needle in it on the fourth clip from the top like they recommend. I have the air mixture screw turned out 2.5 turns from being lightly seated. Maybe it is flooded up here. Or there's just cars parked with kids. And let me see what else I got. Oh, and I cut about a 2-inch hole in the airbox. And the hole I cut, I'll shoot a picture up through there. And it is right next to where the snorkel hole was. Because I had the snorkels removed and there's the hole there. And I just put a hole next to that. And the reason I didn't cut it as toward like the Pro Cycle, they have the one hole up in the far corner, which is up by the carburetor slide breather, I think that's what you call it. But it's the breather that sits up there. And from what I've been reading on the web and stuff, if you have that filter too close to the airbox intake, it gives you a surging. And I don't want any surging. So. Oh, it's not flooded. Okay. Well, you can see we did have some water. So yeah, I was just trying to keep away from the surging and, you know, just have a decent ride. And I'm not going to go up here. I was just kind of curious. I'm going to hop on the highway. Woo! But it actually runs really good. And quite a bit of a noticeable increase over what the stock jetting was. With the stock jetting, I'd ridden this bike a couple times to work during the summertime. And pardon no videos, but man, it is hot out here in the summertime. So, but I did take this to work a couple times. And, you know, it's 20 miles each way, and I just hop right on the freeway. And when I checked the plug, it was running just a little bit on the lean side, I would say. So that's why when they had opted for just going with the kit, and then with the kit, I started cutting the airbox. But I mean, it ran really good, but I just thought, I have the kit, let's try it. So I could always go back. I can always tape over the hole and put all the stock parts in. But yeah, it seems to be running really good. I've come about, I don't know, maybe 10 miles from the house today. I'm just kind of looking around. and yeah, did find down the freeway and stuff. So I'm just going to run it up the hill. I threw a couple things together and kind of what to do, and you know, if we get to them, fine. If not, that's fine. Just really getting out. That's the main thing. So give the bike a run down the road. Yeah, just a nice day. You know, summer's finally, you know, knock on wood, over. August was pretty bad as far as, you know, we had a lot of 110, 115 days. So, like I said, a couple days I rode to work. I try to ride to work once a week, keep the batteries charged and the engines all hooked up on at least one of the bikes. I'll take the Suzuki one week and the Honda the next. So anyway, we're going to hop on the freeway. I'm not going to talk a lot, if you can believe that. Just kind of run down the road. Getting out of the house. Oh, this is so cool. This guy's got ammo for sale. Factory new ammo. Shooter's dead. Oh, very cool. Kind of like the ice cream truck, but you know, it's the ammo truck. We're going to go up this way. We're heading north on the 17. You know, with these tires, they still feel kind of squirrely, like they still have some of they're brand new. It's nice to get out.